Thought I'd say a little bit about repairing slate roof where you've already done some repair. So the beauty of slate in my world is if one goes bad, you hit one, just one is bad, you can replace that one. So in this case we did some replacement before, and now I'm up here replacing some more. So in this case, this is one that I had replaced, and I had a bib here. Now these nails are smooth shank, so they're easy to pull out. So I just lifted this a little bit, and you could feel it in the nail started coming up, pushed it back down, gently took the hammer, and I can easily pull it out now. So why would I do that? Well, because now I'm replacing this one. So it'd be better for me to pull this one out and nail it right here and maybe up here, because that way I don't need a bib here then. If I move this piece of slate up into here, I can put my bib up here. So these are perfectly good slate. There's not, they will last 100, 200 years. Well, probably 200 years. So there's no sense in me, I might as well just move them to where I want them. Same way with up here. Now this one, I had broken this. Probably when I was pulling these other ones out, I put too much pressure on it. So I'm going to put another hole right here, because normally you'd have a hole here and a nail over here, but this one is, I'm not replacing this one. This one feels good. I'm just not going to replace it. Now in the future, maybe I end up replacing a bunch of these, and at that point in time I could switch this one out, or just pull this nail and put a nail over here and we're good to go. If I put a nail in here, then I need a bib. So that's the thing, I don't want to use a bib. Like in this case I'll have to use a bib, and in this case I'll have to use a bib. But down in here I'm just going to put one in here, nail it both sides. So that's the strategy, and really it's pretty easy to do. You just have to get on the roof, which is hence why I built this slate ladder, which is very helpful. Also having a lift, and there's all different ways of getting on the slate roof. I do not believe in walking on them, but if you have a ladder over top of it, then you're okay. Okay, so let's get back to our repair. We're going to pull this one, put a new one in here, move that one up into here, and we'll have that area repaired.